discuss how to operate the manual climate control system. To turn it on, simply turn the ring on the center dial to adjust your fan speed from off to high, or somewhere in between. To turn it back off, turn the ring all the way back to the left. From there, for ultimate comfort, choose between the following vents: upper body region, the floor area, windows, or all of the above. Next, temperature. By turning the ring on the far right dial, you can adjust the interior temperature from hot to cold. In order to really cool the interior, you must make sure the AC button is also illuminated. However, in certain weather conditions, you may experience fogging of your windows while heating your interior. By simply pressing and illuminating the AC button, it will dehumidify the air to clear the windows and prevent any additional fogging. In case of icing or fogging of the rear window, all Mini come equipped with a rear window defroster. Simply press this button to turn it on. When it has completed its cycle, it will turn itself off. And in the event you encounter a skunk or other unpleasant odors, by pressing this button, you turn on the recirculate air mode, suspending any offensive air from the outside entering your precious Mini.